Now, viewers, getting in latest visuals of Ramdev in Supreme Court. This comes after Patanjali MD Acharya Balakrishna and Ramdev were directed to be personally present before the court and after they expressed unconditional and unqualified apology to Supreme Court. The top court is hearing today the contempt case against Patanjali Ayurved over misleading medical ads. Now, viewers, the latest visuals have come in of Ramdev in the Supreme Court. This comes after Patanjali MD Acharya Balakrishna and Ramdev were directed to be personally present in the court after they expressed unconditional, unqualified apology to Supreme Court. The top court is hearing today the contempt case against Patanjali Ayurved over misleading medical ads. This is in connection with misleading medical ads and there's a contempt case against Patanjali's Baba Ramdev. The Supreme Court is hearing the contempt case against Patanjali Ayurved over misleading medical ads, and Patanjali MD Acharya Balakrishna and Baba Ramdev are directed to be personally present before the court. My colleague Rajat is joining us from the business desk. Rajat, take us through all the details that you have gathered. Baba Ramdev and his Patanjali MD Acharya Balakrishna are present in the court today.
So as far as this misleading ad controversy surrounding the Patanjali is concerned, yesterday Patanjali, Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishna has submitted affidavits to the Supreme Court offering unconditional and unqualified apologies. The duo said that they will comply with the order in letter and spirit and uphold the majesty of law and majesty of justice. So the Supreme Court is expected to deliver its final decision on the matter today, making it a significant development in the ongoing legal battle. Also, let me take you to the to what happened in the past. As Supreme Court lashed out at Baba Ramdev in the earlier hearing, the Supreme Court tore into Patanjali Ayurveda's defense for putting out misleading advertisements, rejecting the apology from Yog Guru Ramdev and the firm's managing director Acharya Balakrishna as lip service and saying that they have broken every barrier. And also the bench headed by Justice Hima Kohli also questioned the centre's alleged action over Patanjali's tall claim about the efficacy of its products and denigrating allopathy during the COVID peak, and asked why the government chose to keep its eyes shut. Sternly reprimanding Ramdev and his number 2 Balakrishna, Justice Kohli said that court was taking their apology with a sack full of salt, and the bench also comprised Justice Asanuddin Amanullah. So today is a very crucial day because after all the hearings and back and forth that has happened in the court, the Baba Ramdev ultimately has submitted his apology yesterday, and the Supreme Court and the Apex Court is going to give its final judgment as far as this Patanjali misleading controversy is concerned. So this is something that we are tracking very closely, and we will be giving you more updates as to what is the court's final judgment as far as the misleading ad controversy of Baba Ramdev is concerned.
So business segment then, the Supreme Court today said that it does not accept the apology that's been tendered by Ramdev Baba and Patanjali Ayurved MD. In fact, very strong words that are coming in from the Supreme Court saying that it would rip apart the MD and Baba Ramdev as it does not accept the apology. In fact, the Supreme Court in very strong words stated that these were misleading advertisements that were put out by Baba Ramdev and Patanjali as a whole. Let's go across to Rajat, who is joining us from the Delhi newsroom. Rajat, once again, take us to those strong words coming in from the Supreme Court. Very clearly state the SC says it does not accept the apology, one, and that there was a clear-cut intent of Baba Ramdev and Patanjali MD to evade court summons.
As we are tracking this matter closely, so Supreme Court has came down heavily as far as Baba Ramdev and Patanjali MD Balkrishna matter is concerned. The Supreme Court has completely rejected the unconditional apology that Baba Ramdev submitted in an affidavit to the Supreme Court today, and the Supreme Court also asked Baba Ramdev and Patanjali's MD Balkrishna to be present in the court. The Supreme Court bench comprising Justice Hima Kohli and Hasanuddin Amanullah dismissed the unconditional apology. Apex Court cited the tardiness in submission, stressing that the apology affidavits were first sent to media outlets before being provided to the court. And I'm quoting the justice, until the matter reached the court, the contemners did not deem it necessary to submit the fresh apology affidavit to us. They first sent it to the media, and until 7:30 p.m. yesterday, it was not uploaded for our perusal. This seems to prioritize publicity, Justice Hima Kohli remarked during the proceeding. Also, Justice Kohli came down heavily on the affidavit that was filed by the Patanjali side and said, apologies on the paper, their back is against the wall. We decline to accept this. We consider it as a deliberate violation of undertaking. Be ready for something next to rejection of affidavit. So the hearing that happened in the Supreme Court today, the Supreme Court gave one message that they are trying to make them accountable and are not letting them go on just simply putting the affidavit and apologizing on the whole matter. Justice Kohli said, why should we not treat your apology with same disdain as shown to the court undertaking? We are not convinced now going to turn down this apology. The court further criticized the action of Uttarakhand government's in Patanjali ad case, and they said they came down heavily on the Uttarakhand government, the drug licensing officer, as well as what they did in the entire matter when the misleading ads were being played by the by the Patanjali. Justice Kohli questioned the authority's stance and implying possible collusion with alleged contemners. The court raised concern about the countless innocent individuals who relied on Patanjali medicines, urging accountability from both the company and the government. So basically, Supreme Court has showed that they are not going to accept the apology of Baba Ramdev and Patanjali's MD Balkrishna, and they said that there is a colossal violation of the principles or the responsibility and accountability for being in such a responsible business. In response to the court's queries, Dhruv Mehta, representing the state licensing authority, admitted to inadequate action, prompting further rebuke from Justice Kohli. So this is what. So the common thing is that the Supreme Court came down heavily on the Patanjali, Baba Ramdev, and MD Balkrishna, and they tore apart and has rejected their unqualified apology in the whole matter of Patanjali misleading ads.